સર હું પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન બોલું.
No, let me start first. I think everyone, those who are present, have written their name and roll numbers. So we will start with the class today. Please take out your rough book and those who have textbook. And those who don't have textbook, they can download the PDF that I have sent on WhatsApp group.
શેર બુક
Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay.
સર ફેરબુકમાં લખવાનું.
No, you don't have to write it in your fair book. Just take out your rough book and I will do the sums here. You can write the same sums in your rough book also and we'll do practice.
Sir,
Yes,
PDF you sent 13 lesson.
To pick up the book.
yes, 13 chapter only. We will be doing exercise
Sir,
13.1. So
12.
you need
Sir,
PDF of 13 chapter.
sir, lesson number 12, 12.4 PDF send you.
No, I have already sent the PDF,
Yes.
solved PDF. This one is only for textbook PDF.
Yes, sir. I will download textbook PDF.
Yes, you can download if you don't have textbook.
Yes, sir. I will download.
Okay. Now, I hope everyone has their notebooks or a homework book with you. I'm going to share the screen and we will do the sums starting from exercise 13.1. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I'm show the screen.
Today we are going to start with exercise 13.1. Now, if you can see 13.1, first question states 2 to power 6. Now, this can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 multiplied by 2. So, total number of 2 becomes 6 times we have to write it 2. So, can anyone tell
Sir,
the answer?
Sir, 16.
Sir, લખવાનું છે.
sir, 16.
First, first understand what is the answer. Can you calculate once again? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are
42,
32,
sir.
32 twos are
42.
6.
42.
42. Sir, we want to write.
Yes, you have to write this one also.
Sir, sir, 64 કેવી રીતે આવે?
Multiply it. How many times do you have to multiply 2? You have to multiply
6.
it 6
6
times.
6.
So
times.
6, 2 twos are 4. If you use this 2, 2 twos are 4, this 2 and this one. So this one becomes 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 fours are 16 multiplied by 4 gives you 64. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Moving on to question
Sir,
number 2.
sir, this is right in
Yes.
Facebook.
Yes, either in rough homework book or fair book, whatever you want, but you have to understand this one. Next question is
Okay.
9 to power 3. It can be written as 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. What is the answer?
27.
Check once
1 to
again. 9
9.
multiplied by 9 is 81.
1 to 9.
7 to 9. 7 to 9. 7
7
to.
to 9. Okay, correct. Written? Have you written it?
Yes.
Okay, can you try the other question, question number 3 and 4 at your home also? 11 to power 2 and question number 4 states 5 to power 4.
Okay, sir.
સર પેલો ક્વેશ્ચન કરો ને.
Look, this is the first one.
હો ગયા.
This one is second one. All of you, please keep writing. I have to do other sums also, right? So we'll be moving on to question number three. I'll do here. There is no need for you to do it as a homework. 11 to power square. It can be written as 11 multiplied by 11.
112.
Just
112.
find the answer.
112.
Second one is 5 to power 4. This can be written as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5.
Sir, first third one માં answer 121 ને fourth one માં answer 625. 625.
Okay. Write it down, all of you.
Sir,
Yes.
fifth one.
Okay, there are only four questions in main question number one. Now we are moving on to question number two. And in question number two, we will do the first one. First states 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. So how many 6 are here?
4.
4.
So we will write it in this form 6 to power 4.
Sir, 129.
What is 129?
सर इसमें उल्टा करना है.
No, here it is not asked for you to solve it. They are asking you to express this thing in exponent form, exponent
Okay,
and
sir.
power form. So 6 to
Yes.
power 4.
समझ में आ गया.
Okay.
One.
Now, second question of this part is t multiplied by t. So it can be written as t to power
T square. T2. T2.
t, t to power square.
सर कितनी जी.
Now, if you look at the third one, b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. How many times it is?
B4.
B4.
Four square.
B to power 4. It's not B4, it's
Four.
B to power 4.
Four.
And the fourth question is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 into 7 into 7. So if we look at this, there are two parts given here. One is this and another one is this. So what we will do is we will write here
2.
5 to power
5
2
2. 5 to
and
power 2.
7 to power how
7 to
many?
power
7 3. 7 to power 3.
Good. So write it down, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Written all of you? Have you written it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If we move to question number 4, sorry, question number 5, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by A multiply by A. Roll number 15.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
2 into 2. 2 into power.
Okay. 2 to power 2 multiply by. And what about A?
A to power. A to power 2. 2. A to power 2.
Very good.
Eight
A
to
to
power.
power 2. So this is your answer. I hope you have understood it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can we move on to the next question number 6? All of you, please try question number 6.
Sir,
Sir,
वहाँ
થઈ
करो
ગયો.
2 मिनट. Sir, वहाँ करो 2 मिनट.
Sir, answer go.
Why? Wait, wait. Don't tell your answer. Keep your answers with you.
Okay, sir.
Question number 6 is A into A into A into C into C into C into C multiply by D. Can you try, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Try.
Sir, answer do.
No, don't tell the answer. Just keep your answer with you. How many times A?
A 3. A to power 3. A to power 3.
A
A
to
to
power
A
power
3
to
three.
power 3.
multiply by C to power.
C to
C
power
to
3.
power four.
C to power 4.
Very
D
good.
to power 1.
And D to
Into
power.
D1. D1. D
Okay,
to power 1.
you can simply write D, or you can write D to power 1. Very good. Okay, written everyone?
Yes.
Okay, we'll move on to main question number 3. It is asking express each of the following number in exponential notation. Now, first I will do a sum for you, and then you can try this sum. We'll do the sums here. But first, look, this is an example. Suppose if it is given 64, right? So if you want to find out in an exponential form, what you have to do is you have to do the factors of 64. 64 is divisible by 2. It gives you, what is the answer? Again, 32 is divisible by 2. We can give it.
Club 8. 8. Ab 8. 8. 8.
Sir, we want to write this. We want.
Ab 2. 2. 2. 2. 2.
So now if you can check how many twos are there?
2 to the
One, one, two, three, four, five, six. How many twos are there?
6.
So we can write it like this: 2 multiply by 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 2, or you can write it as 2 to power
To write.
6. Understood?
Sir, sir,
yes.
So
Yeah.
you don't have to write it. This is an example. So, in other words, you can write 64. You can write 64 in this way. 64 can, this is 64,
2 power
and exponential notation is 2 to power 6. Now, we will do a sum here. Question number 3, and first one is 512. Can you do the factors, all of you? 512. Can you do the factors of 512?
Sir, am I 211 only?
You have to take 2. It is an even number, so we'll divide it by 2.
Sir, answer 213.
Sir,
Yes.
5. Sir, 98, 64. 32.
64, 32. Again, if you divide it by 2, you will get 16.
16.
Again, if you will
Abate.
divide it by 2, you will
8.
get 8. Again, if
4.
you will divide it by 2, we will get 4.
4.
Again,
2.
by 2, you will get 2. And at last, you will get 2. So, how many 2's are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 9,
9.
9. 9.
How many? 9.
9.
So we can write it like this: 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply by
Sir,
2,
we 3.
multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Or you can write it like this: 2 to
2
power.
power 9.
2 power 9.
Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Write down this sum.
Sir, you can send PDF.
No, I will not send the PDF. You can write it down now. At the end of this exercise, I will send the PDF, but now you have to write it.
બીજું હાથે કરી.
Sir, voice problem.
સર હો ગયા.
Sir,
Okay, quickly, all of you. I hope you have understood it, how to do it, right?
yes.
પ્રોબ્લેમ.
Yes.
Okay.
હો ગયા.
Written, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, if we try the second question, the question is 3, 4, 3. Can you try this one? 3, 4, 3? It is not divisible by, I'll give you a hint. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. And it is also not divisible by 5. The next number that
સર
you
અમે
have to
ટુ
try,
લેવાના ને.
no, try 7.
किससे बोलते थे करना है सर इसको
7 into 7.
Okay.
7 into 7 into 7.
If we divide this number by 7, we get 49. Again, if we divide that by 7, we get 7. And if we divide that 7, we get last remainder 1. So it can be written as 7
3.
multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. In other words, you
7.
can write 7 to power
7 to power.
cube.
3.
7 power 3.
Yeah, that's correct, but 7 to power cube. Okay, written everyone? Has everyone written, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Question number 3. It says
Sir, main
729.
question number 3.
No, not main question number 3, sub question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notion. 729. You can do the
Right.
same method here
Sir,
also. 729. Do the factors.
sir, આમાં 211 નો કે
Start with 3.
Korea multiply 7 hours.
3 to 5.
Okay, turn off your mic, all of you.
2, 4, 3.
3 to 5.
Okay, I'll do the sum here. Now, first we'll divide it by 3. Why we are dividing it by 3? Because 729 is not divisible by 2. It's an odd number. So we'll try with 3. The next answer we get is 243. If we divide 729 with 3, we get 243. Again, 243 is divisible by 3. And we will divide it, we get 81. Again, if we divide 81 by 3, we'll get 27. And 27 is again divisible by 3, we'll get 9. Again, if we divide 9 by 3, we get
3.
3. And 3 at last divisible by 3, we get 1. So how many 3?
6.
5.
6.
So we get 3 to power
3
6.
plus 6.
Write it down, all of you, please.
Sir, that's a problem.
All of you, have you completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Move on to the next question. And the fourth question is 3125. Now try 3125. You can start dividing it by 5. 3125 is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. 3125 is also not divisible by 3 because it gives you a reminder. You can try it by 5. Roll number 37.
સર લખાવો
Who
તો
is roll
ખરી
number?
લખાવો તો ખરી.
Who is roll number 37?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell the answer, please?
3, 25.
What is the
3
answer?
into 3.
Just tell.
3 into 3 into 3.
Okay. Muntazar, right?
Yes, sir.
Muntazar,
લખાવો
3125 is not divisible by 3. So can you
Time
try?
one. Five.
Sir, હું આપું?
Five. Five into five into five into five into five.
How many times 5?
Five times. Four.
And who is saying this answer? What is your roll number?
Roll number two.
Roll number 2. Did I ask you to answer the question? Why are you answering the question? Roll number 21. Who is roll number 21?
સર
Kapasi
લખાવો તો
Mohammed
ખરી.
Mehdi. Kapasi Mohammed Mehdi, are you present or absent?
કઈ ક્લાસમાં છે?
Okay, no problem. I'll note down. Roll number 41.
Sorry, Mehndi Rasbaria.
Yes, Mehdi. Can you answer?
સર, હું કહું?
Type 5.
Only Mehdi Rasbaria.
5 type 5. 5
Five to
type
five
5.
to five to five.
Okay. So first we will divide it by 5. We get
Five times five.
625. Again, if we divide it by 5, we get 25. Sorry, 125. Again, if we divide it by 5, we get 25. On division, 25 is divisible by 5, so we get 5 and at last 1. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you please turn the mic on? Whose mic is turned on? Beta, you need to understand that when you turn on the mic, the background noise comes in. So if there is a noise in your background, can you please turn the mic off? There is no need for you to turn the mic on. So if you know that there is a background noise coming, why are you turning your mic on? Have you understood this answer? Do you want me to name the person whose mic is turned on?
હુસેન
Rasbaria,
રસભરિયા.
Rasbaria, Mehndi
હુસેન
Rasbaria.
રસભરિયા. હા સર, ઈ જ તે હુસેન રસભરિયા.
Voice problem.
Rasbaria, Muslim. Hello, hello, hello.
Has everyone written this answer?
Hey, good morning.
Okay, we'll move on to main next question number 4.
Sir, present after level.
Yes, I have taken the present absent. We'll move on to question number 4, all of you. Main question number 4.
Sir, present.
I told you to write your present and absent in comment box. Have you written your name and roll number? If you have written, you are present. Do you want me to start with question number 4, all of
સર જો
you?
મેં તમે મોકલી દીધું પ્રેઝન્ટ થઈ ગયો.
If you have sent, don't worry about present and absent. If you have sent your name and roll number, I will mark it at present. But first, concentrate here. Now, the question number 4 states 4 to power 3 or 3 to power 4. Which one is greater? This one or this one? This or this? Which one is greater?
ફર્સ્ટ વન.
Now we will calculate it here. 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, and 3 to power 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this gives you 64.
લખાવો તો કરી. સર બે સેમ
Tell
થાય.
me, which one is greater?
નો સેમ સર નો સેમ. સેકન્ડ વન મોર બિગ બિગ.
I hope you understood how do we calculate it.
સર ધીસ ઇઝ એક્ઝામ્પલ.
No, this is question number 4, first one. Have you understood how do we calculate it?
સર ફર્સ્ટ વન છે.
Okay, I'll do this sum once again.
ઓકે
સર ફર્સ્ટ વન છે.
This is question number 1. The question states 4 to power 3 and 3 to power 4. You have to answer which one is greater, this one or 4 to power 3 or 3 to power 4. So how do we calculate it? 4 to power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. This gives you answer 64. And if we look at this one, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this gives you 9.
81.
This gives you answer 81. Of course, 81 is greater than 64.
9.
Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Can you try the second question?
Yes.
5 to power 3 or 3 to power 5. Tell me which one is greater.
સેકન્ડ પર.
Yes, this one is second question.
125.
Try and solve it and keep your answer with you.
Three power five greater.
તદુ please answer.
Okay, I'm doing
Sir.
the answer here. 5
Sir,
multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So this gives you
25, 25, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 2, 4, 3. 3 to 3 into 3 3, 9 3 the 18, 18 3 the 18, 2 for 3.
2 for 3.
1 to 5, sir. 2 for 3. 1 to 5, sir.
what? 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is greater or 2 4 3 is greater?
2 for
3 greater.
Okay. So I hope you understand how do we do question number 4, right?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All of you, question number 4 you can try at your home. right?
Yes.
So we have done
Yes,
question
sir.
number one,
Yes,
two,
sir.
three, and 4. But
Yes.
for question number
Sir.
4, you can try
Sir.
question number
Okay.
3, 4, and 5 some question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow, inshallah,
Okay.
we will start with question number 5, 6, and 7, 8. We'll try to complete those exercises. Anyone has
Okay.
any doubt in it?
No, no, no. No, no. No, no, no.
Okay, all of you listen very
No, Joe.
carefully.
No, no. Khudafiz, sir.
Once this exercise, listen.
લેફ્ટ થઈ જાય
No, don't leave. Listen what I'm saying.
ઓકે સર
Okay.
હોતે 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 સર
Exercise
Okay, sir.
13.1. Once it is completed, I'll share the PDF with you and you can use that PDF to complete your note.
ઓકે ઓકે
Okay, now
Bye,
you can
sir.
leave the class one by one.
ઓકે સર બાય 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 સર ખુદાફિઝ
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.
અબ્બાસ અલી એ અબ્બાસ અલી બોલ નીચે આય
Please leave your class, all of you, one by one.
સર રોલ નંબર 37 આવી ગયું.
નીચે આય ની
Have you written your roll number in it?
ઓકે ઓનલાઈન કરવાનું હજી એક ક્લાસ છે ને હે હજી એક ક્લાસ છે ને
Roll number 70, I have already written your present. Why are you writing the same roll number again and again?
ઓકે ઓકે સર બાય બાય
Roll number 4, your roll number is also written. You can also leave.